Ron Holmes with RYKER USA. A few years ago, we released the RYKER Sling. The RYKER Sling is unique with its retention that's built into the body of the sling. It gives you a really unique push-pull resistance when using the RYKER grip, thus creating the system and enhancing the RYKER method of shooting. We gave some of the slings for testing to our active duty special operations guys, and they told us they loved the concept. The retention was awesome. However, this thing was too bulky, too heavy, and there was too much polymer on the sling. So we took all of that advice and we made some changes. Version 2, the RYKER Sling. 2.5 ounces lighter, less material, same push-pull positive resistance that you got with the original. We have removed all the polymer sliders and replaced them with American steel. And version 2 of the RYKER Sling comes with mil-spec, American-made QD mounts. Version 2 of our sling is going to be offered in traditional multicam, black multicam, and traditional black for right now. The setup for version 2 of the RYKER Sling is identical. We do recommend still behind the pistol grip and behind at the furthest point at the back of the rail to give you this nice, good, natural weapons retention, but a nice slant to the rifle. If you had to bend over, your muzzle's going out to the side, not in the back of someone's head or into the dirt. The setup is still the same. We do recommend, instead of having the ring on the original, right here where the standing end, the solid webbing, hits the retention part of the sling, there's a nice big square knot. You want that sitting right on your collarbone. That is going to help the sling remain much more comfortable than having this hard nylon webbing rubbing on your neck that doesn't have any movement in it. We also recommend setting it in just a shirt so that as you can back it out. We do recommend a tight sling. Advantage to the RYKER Sling and the RYKER grip and the system of the RYKER method is the uniqueness of that retention that's built into the sling. It allows me just to come right up on target and I am locked right back in. I take my support hand off and that rifle is just so solid. That in combination with the RYKER control, RYKER cable management system, you can't go wrong. And check out version 2 of the RYKER Sling, multicam, black multicam, and black.